Hello again everybody. So today another lock from the LockPickingLawer, ABUS 3455, a big lump of hardened steel 55mm wide. This one I think was an overrun they did, New York City Housing Authority. So removable core, nice heavy chunky padlock. The key, there we go, reasonable bitting on it, key retaining, and a lot of spring tension on the core, which can make it quite difficult to pick. So let's give it a go. So I'll be using tension wrench from the Peterson flat 5, and I've got the Sparrow's deep hook 15 thousandths. Now straight off, I don't know if you can see, but if I put tension on, it takes there a lot of tension just to get where the core is starting to bind, and we have to keep that tension on most of the time and fight with the pins. So I'm starting at the back on number 6. There we go, a slight click out of 6. Onto 5. Click out of 5. Click out of 4, and a very, very slight turn on the core. Find 3. Nothing on 3. That was me slipping off a pin. Nothing on 2. 1. There we go, that was 1. A little bit more turn on the core. Right, 2 feels like it's binding now. If I can just get on it properly. Feeling a little bit of counter rotation. That's better. That was 2. Hopefully. Three. Keeps on slipping off the pin. Let's just have a try with this Peterson. I did try this pick before, but it was struggling to get to the pins at the back, especially number 5, which is high cut. Come on. There we go, that was number 3. So I have picked this before but not gutted it, so let's get the vise out of the way. Let's have a look, see what this has got inside it. So there we go, all open. And we have a screw. And there comes the core. The screw doesn't want to come out. That'll be the holder for the core. We have a circlip on the back. So let's lock this up again. Stop it moving around. Oh, that came off quite nicely. So somewhere about there should do the trick. Hopefully one of these will fit. And there we go. So start with number 1, which is standard, 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 standard. A little bit of a flat on top of the core, but I can't see anything else in there. Nothing special. Tweezers all tangled up. There we go. So these are all just standard brass. And let's see what we've got in here. So number 1, standard brass again. Number 2 is a spool. Number 3, another spool. Number 4, another spool. Five, another spool. And number 6, another spool. All the springs are the same. Nothing exciting up there, if we can see. So, a quick close-up of these pins. We're focusing now. Like I say, all just standards along the bottom, 1 standard, 5 spools in the top. I think the most challenging thing with it is the tension on the core. So that is the Abus 3455. Thanks a lot to the LockPickingLawer for the lock. Very fun picking. Anyway, see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.